If you're new to Myoshi, here are some basics to help you get your page looking nice. I'll link all of the resources for you below. First thing that really helps is Oshi Forge. There's lots of different settings, presets that you can use, and there's all kinds of different things. Scroll bars to change the size and color of everything. It all gets generated right here, and you just copy and paste this right into Myoshi. Another thing that really helps is this template by Mercury, or Mukuriru. You can have some really neat buttons, and it also comes with customizing all of this stuff as well. If you plan to edit the code of this, just so you know, these bars are called pills. I thought that they were panels, but it's actually pills. If you want to have colored text for this part, make sure you don't use these because these are controlled based off of the appearance settings. So if you're in the normal mode, text will appear dark, but if you are in dark mode, this will appear white, and depending on your background color or background here, it may show up worse or better. Thanks to Mio, I was able to figure out how you insert images. There's also a part here to control the size of your image. That is how I figured out how to make my emote small here, have this go across the page, or have this fill up the whole thing. If you want a custom cursor like how I have, I use cursors for you, and there's tons of different ones of all different kinds. If you want graphics like this, I suggest looking up Rentry on Tumblr. There's tons and tons and tons of different graphics that you can use for things. If you want to change the colors for things, I suggest using color hex. You can look up hex codes and it'll give you the RGB, because depending on what you're looking at for coding, it will be the hex code. Depending on what you're doing, you may need the hex code or you may need the 3 RGB numbers here. If you've seen people have pretty kind of text and emojis, you can use emoji combos, look up what you want, and then you can find little emoji combos that people have been using. All different kinds to decorate your profile with or send on a bulletin. If you want fun Japanese emoji, I suggest cow emoji. They have things separated by different emotions and types, and there's lots and lots and lots of them to choose from. Now for some basics in the coding, having strong in brackets and then strong with a slash in the front, that's for the start of something you want bold and the end of something you want bold. The inserting image and size control is like I showed earlier, it's right here. You put the image right here without the brackets as a link. You can't just upload the image itself, so you can upload it to a separate Discord channel or wherever else and put the link right in. If you want spacing between things, so having this end and go to the next part, or how all these end and go to the next part, or having a space in between, you can use BR, which I assume is break, or having P and then /P at the end of a paragraph. When looking at the coding from Oshi Forge or Mercury, here are some parts that you might want to pay attention to if you want to edit it outside of the Forge. With profile custom CSS, profile main card, style width and height, this will change the size of your profile picture right here. It does get more pixelated the bigger you make it. I don't know if there's a way to get around that, but for me, I didn't make it too much bigger, but a little bit more so that it's easier to see. You want to look at profile display name and the RGBs right here for your profile name color, which is this part right here. And this big box here that has comment a lot inside of it is from Oshi Forge to change the color of your comment section. Honestly, a lot of the coding for my page is trial and error and probably looks like a mess to someone who actually codes, but if your brain does not work in code like mine, then hopefully this helps you at least a little bit, because it did help me manage to make it that nice, since I'm someone who has a very pretty website on card and I wanted it to be at least somewhat similar. So hopefully between Oshi Forge, Mercury, and all the other sites that I gave you, you can also have a pretty nice page. I wish you luck on your Myoshi!